1234 London W12 6WX.
And don't forget to put your name and age on the back so we can say thank you.
We can't wait to see them. Right now, here comes Big Cook, Little Cook.
Discover and do!
Big Cook, Little Cook, welcome to our cafe. Big Cook, Little Cook, want you to come and play. Meeting all the friends we cook for, sharing stories, trips and fun. Big Cook, Little Cook, we'll cook for everyone.
Delicious. Hello, welcome to our cafe, the best cafe in the world. I'm just having a nice tasty snack. My favourite sandwich. Ham, tomato, cheese, radishes and chocolate. I can't seem to find Ben though. Do you know where he is? Maybe he's in the garden.
Hello, everyone. Look at me. I'm flying. Whee!
Flying?
Yes, Small. I'm a butterfly, and I fly from one flower to another. I've just been in the garden watching the butterflies fly all around the flowers. They flap their wings, just like this. Ooh! Come on, join in.
I'm something else that flies, way up in the sky. And when I look down, everything is really small. Do you know what I am?
Oh, yes, I know. You're an aeroplane. Hey, Small, here's one. I'm something else that flies, and I've got a long beak and a feathery tail, and I go tweet, 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 tweet.
Tweet, 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 tweet. You're a bird.
Yes, well done, Small. Small, do you think if I flap my wings fast enough, I'd be able to fly? Do you? Oh, I love flying. You can fly around on your spoonmobile, Small. Oh, I really wish I had something to fly.
Aha, a customer. I'd better fly.
Who is it, Little Cook?
Well, it's someone who can fly.
Really? Is it a bird?
Oh, no, someone who flies in an aeroplane.
Oh, fantastic. I'd love to be a pilot and fly a big plane.
But what would Paul like to eat? This is a tricky one. I think it's time to look at my book.
We need a story to help us cook.
Let's take a look in Little Cook's book. Little Cook's Adventures in the Big World. Let me see. I was in the park down by the pond, sitting in the autumn sunshine. It was a lovely day. On the pond were a group of geese, looking rather worried. So I asked them why. Winter is on the way, said one of the geese. And we have to fly to a hotter country because it will get too cold for us here. When are you off? I asked. That's the problem, replied. Dear. I went to see my friend Paul, who was a pilot. I asked him if he would help the geese. I knew Paul had lots of buttons and maps in his plane that would show him the way to a hot country. Of course I'll help, said my pilot friend. I went in the plane with Paul, and when we flew over the pond, I called out to the geese to follow us. It was great flying over fields and rivers and houses. Everything looked tiny from high up in the sky. The geese followed behind. We soon found a lovely pond in a beautifully hot country. The geese were very happy. As we waved goodbye, the geese thanked us. They would see us again in the spring. Little Cook to the rescue once again! That was a great adventure.
It was brilliant, Small, but it doesn't tell us what pilots like to eat.
Way! Yes, you're right, Ben.
What do pilots like? Oh, we got...
I know! Big Cook's Big Cookery Book!
Of course, the Big Cookery Book. There's recipes for everything in there.
And where do we look for things to cook?
In the book, in Big Cook's book.
Well, well, look at this!
Pilot's plane, the perfect recipe.
Brilliant!
OK, Small, you read out the ingredients and I'll see if we've got them.
OK, let's see. We're going to need raisins,
OK, over to the cupboard. Here we go. Raisins, got them.
a carrot,
In the fridge. Here we are. Carrot, got it, Small.
mozzarella cheese,
Hey, a mozzarella cheese. But you can use any cheese you like. Got it.
thick yoghurt,
Thick yoghurt. Got it, Small.
a courgette,
Oh, here we are. There we go. Courgette.
a lettuce,
Lettuce. I don't think we've got a lettuce.
and an onion.
Onion. Oh, onions always make me cry, Small. Ooh.
Onions only make you cry when they're chopped, Ben.
I don't think we've got an onion either. We must have used those yesterday. Oh, but we've got everything else we need for the recipe, Small.
Well, don't worry, Ben. I'll just whiz off and get some. Way! Hey, why don't you come along too?
Go, Small, whiz away! I wonder what he'll see today.
What a lovely day. I'm so excited.
I've come to a farm and that's the farmer. He's going to pick some vegetables. This vegetable is long and bright yellow. It's called a courgette. I've seen green courgettes too. Now what's he going to pick? I recognise that. Do you? Ben grows them in the garden. They're called lettuces. These are spring onions. The farmer has to brush the soil off the roots. Here's another sort of onion. Can you see the roots? The farmer is brushing off the soil. These are red onions. The farmer is delivering the vegetables to someone's house.
There's your week's vegetables.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we'll see you next week.
Bye.
I'd better get back to Ben. See you later.
Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. We shall be flying at a height of around... Oh, hello, Small.
Way! That was great. I saw all the vegetables growing And then they were picked and delivered to people's houses.
Did you bring some back?
Of course.
Wow! Hey! Cabin crew to landing positions. We're coming in to cook. We're all ready, so take a look.
And we will show you how to cook.
Jelly boats and pirates' gold, princess pea pies, carrot cakes and fruity smiles,
And envelope surprise.
We love our cafe and we love to cook. We have a fantastic recipe book. He is big cook and he is small. Friends in our cafe, we cook for them all. When your tummy gets all rumbly, you're ready for a treat. You can make something delicious to eat.
Have you cleaned the surfaces?
Yes, have you washed your hands?
Yes. All clean and ready to cook. Do you remember the ingredients to Pilot's Plane?
You do?
There was raisins,
3,
a carrot,
half,
thick plain yoghurt,
3 tablespoons,
mozzarella cheese,
half a cup chopped,
a courgette,
1,
lettuce,
3 leaves,
and an onion.
quarter of an onion which we can chop up later. Ooh, boo-hoo-hoo. Onions always make me cry.
Oh dear, Ben. Whoopee, let's get started.
OK then, Small. Now, shall I chop up this onion or are you going to do it?
I don't mind, Ben, but you always cry when you chop them. Roll it over then.
Here you go then.
Whoa! Come back, onion.
That should be enough. I've grated some carrot. There we go. And I've also sliced the courgette into 2. Open it up. And now I'm going to scoop out the middle with a spoon. Out it comes. Nice and slowly. There we are. That looks good. And I'm going to pop it onto a greased baking tray. Have you chopped that onion yet, Small?
Yes, all chopped. Here you go, Ben.
Thank you, Small. Ooh, well done. So now it's time to fly over to the cooker. Chocks away. Now this is a job for your grown-up helper to do because it's going to get hot, hot, hot. I'm going to pop a little bit of oil into a pan. In it goes. There we are. Turn on the heat. And we're going to put in the onion. In it goes. The inside of the courgette. And our lovely carrots. Oh, yes. And now we're going to fry them.
I'm an aeroplane! Woohoo!
And now we can stir in our mozzarella cheese. In it goes. Oh, this is looking delicious. Our pilot's gonna love this. Round it goes.
If I was a pilot, I'd take my best friend Ben for a ride.
Ho-ho! Look how the cheese goes all stringy. This is done, so we can turn off the heat and pour it into a bowl. In it goes. Now it's time to fill the courgettes with the mixture. Over we go. Get a spoonful and pop it into the courgette. There's one. A big spoonful there. And fill the other one. Here we go. Last one. And now we can pop it into the oven. Oven gloves on. And make sure you get your grown-up helper to do this bit for you because the oven is hot, hot, hot. Into the oven it goes. And I'll set the oven to 230 degrees Celsius, gas mark 8. All we have to do now is wait for 15 minutes.
I'll set the timer. For 15 minutes.
Yummy. Clear the counter for landing.
That plane smells delicious. Brilliant. New. Coming into land. Woo!
This is cool now, so I've cut one of the courgettes in half and then in half again. That's a job for grown-up helpers to do. I've also put the 3 lettuce leaves onto a plate and put a spoonful of yoghurt on each one. That's to make them look like clouds. So now I can put the courgette onto the plate. There we are. And I'll give our plane a tail. And these 2 slices are going to make the plane's wings. One wing and the other. On it goes. And we can use our 3 raisins to make the windows of the plane. 1, 2, 3. Ho-ho! Hello, passengers. Enjoy your flight.
That looks fantastic.
Cabin crew ready to serve the food. Over. One pilot's plane coming through. In it goes. Whew. There. All done.
So what do we do now? Can we play?
Not yet. Time to clean and put away.
Hooray!
Wash, wipe, scrub and clean. Make the kitchen sparkle and gleam. My name's Ben. And my name's Small. We've got the cleanest kitchen of all. Tidy all the bits and bobs, the things that help us do our jobs. Ingredients we'll put away, ready for use another day. Pots and pans will start to smell if we don't wash them really well. And now it's clear, let's all smile. We'll be finished in a little while. All around, up and down, we've got the cleanest cafe in town.
Aha! Here comes the plate.
Oh, yes. And look, I think we could say our pilot enjoyed his pilot's plane. Ho-ho. Hey, Small, there's a note.
Well, what does it say? What does it say?
Let's see, shall we? It says, Dear Big Cook Ben and Little Cook Small, thank you for my pilot's plane. It was delicious. Hoo-hoo. I heard Ben wanted something to fly. Maybe this paper plane can help.
Well, what is it, Ben?
Look, Small, he's left us a paper plane. Yay! Now I've got something to fly as well. Woohoo! See you soon.
See you soon.
Cabin crew ready for takeoff. Chocks away. 3, 2, 1. Up, up and away. Wow!
Big cook, little cook, welcome to our cafe. Big cook, little cook, we'll cook for everyone. We'll cook for everyone.
Pat's here with piles of post to deliver.
Looks like we've got lots to do today.
One for Ted,
Here's Pat with his van now.
one for AJ,
All aboard for Fancasters!
and here's another one for Amy the vet.
I've got lots of poorly animals to see today.
And a special delivery, one for you too. Come and join Postman Pat weekdays at 8:15 on CBeebies. Discover and do!
Can you guess what I'm talking about? I can fly very high. The rocket, the helicopter and the aeroplane can fly high, but the car travels on the ground, so it can't be the car. I am blue and white. The rocket and the aeroplane are blue and white, but the helicopter is yellow, so it can't be the helicopter. I land at the